Behind HBL's seamless digital banking experience lies a robust IT infrastructure. Realizing the need for ensuring greater reliability, efficiency, and redundancy in our data centers, we initiated a platform migration process that resulted in the bank moving away from a physical server-based model to a virtual machine environment, eventually evolving into a hybrid cloud model. We established 3 state-of-the-art data centers, with the primary one in Karachi and the disaster recovery site in Lahore. We also have a data center in Dubai that enables us to keep all our international locations running, even in the highly unlikely event that Pakistan is cut off from the global internet. HBL was also the first company in Pakistan to deploy software-defined wide area network at scale across the organization, enabling us to reduce overhead costs and improve network performance. The objective of infrastructure development is to ensure business continuity and security, which is flexible, scalable, and efficient. Growth in the digital world is defined in exponential terms, and the underlying infrastructure needs to be able to support this growth. By transforming its infrastructure from analog to digital, HBL has empowered its employees and customers alike, especially during the COVID-19 pandemic. Voice and video calling has been enabled across the bank, thus enhancing collaboration within the virtual workspace. HBL's digital customer experience is being enhanced through self-service channels such as interactive voice response in our contact centers, allowing clients to carry out their own banking activities over the phone. In today's hyper-competitive environment, the ability to rapidly integrate with fintechs and other innovative service providers is a major challenge. HBL has hence invested in setting up an open API platform that allows open banking initiatives to be rolled out rapidly. HBL's Roadmap to Digital Transformation 2023 is primarily focused on enhancing self-service experience. Through an advanced web-based self-service portal, IT help desk calls have dropped 70% since 2018, empowering people and improving operational efficiency. Our data center facilities, emails, servers, and domestic branches have demonstrated nearly 100% of uptime for 3 years consecutively, and our network of over 2,000 ATMs facilitates a daily average of 700,000 transactions with an uptime of over 97%. HBL is a technology company with a banking license, and it strives to stay true to its commitment of enabling dreams and enriching lives.